Hey guys, it's Mike, and today I'm going to be showing you how I can tomatoes. Now, I'm just learning how to can tomatoes, so if I'm doing something wrong, please don't bust my chops over it. So first thing we're going to do is going to go into the garden and we're going to pick ourselves some tomatoes. Now, one thing I learned over canning tomatoes over this past season was if you think you have enough tomatoes for the can, you should probably double that amount, because after processing these tomatoes, they're going to lose about half their weight. Now, I like to can using sous vide. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring my sous vide water up to around 180 degrees and also get my cans or bottles in there so they don't crack under the heat difference. And then I'm going to go ahead and rinse off my tomatoes. And then I'm going to cut the tops off and also cut any other vegetables that I want to can with the tomatoes. Then I'm going to blanch them on high for a few minutes. I'm going to drain them, and then I'm going to put them in some ice water to cool off. And as you can see, the skins are already coming off right away. Let that sit in there till the ice melts. Then we're going to go ahead and take that same pot. As you can see, the tomato just pops right out of the skin. And you can go ahead and put your garlic and onion in that same pot there and let it boil for about 20 to 30 minutes. And now you're ready to can. I like to fill it up about halfway, then put my salt and seasonings in there. Kind of messed up a little bit with that, but that's okay because the seasoning that I'm using floats to the top at the end, and I can just spoon it off. Just using that generic Italian seasoning. Be sure to wipe the edges of the lids. Put your lid on, hand tighten it, and then the weight of the bottle should be enough to keep it underwater. And you're going to leave it in there for about an hour, hour and a half. And here's the finished product. You can see if you press on the top after doing this, it doesn't flex, which means that it is vacuum sealed. Don't forget that when you take them out of the sous vide, that you want to turn them upside down and dry them inside a towel. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something, and have a great day. Thanks.